got one. Just
Oh,
What are you having, Teddy?
I want kiwi. So 4 things.
he's
Mango,
having watermelon and
kiwi,
fruit.
grapes,
No,
banana.
I love you, my child.
What are you having? Are you having watermelon too? What kind of?
Yes.
No.
Did you know poo tastes like chocolate?
Oh, don't say that.
It looks like chocolate.
It
Tastes
It doesn't taste like chocolate.
What's it smell like? What?
funny.
Farties.
He loves farting.
No.
You love farting.
Cowboy.
Violet loves it.
Okay, this is how they. Uncle Andrew,
Yep.
I'm a good
Grandpa,
I'm bigger
No, you're not.
I'm bigger
Nita,
than everyone.
Auntie Nita,
I'm bigger than everyone.
Dee Dee.
I'm bigger than everyone.
Hugo.
What about Grandpa?
Hey, I'm older.
Don't go, Pop. Hugo. Willie.
Yeah.
Poppy.
That's older than me.
Poppy. Sadie.
And Violet.
I'm bigger than everyone.
You're bigger than everyone. Are you bigger than Violet?
Yeah.
I think Violet's bigger than you.
Oh,
I reckon we're
Bigger
going to have
than everyone.
What about Sam? Where's Sam?
oh,
I'm this tall. I'm this tall.
Yeah, you're about that tall. That's exactly right.
I'm this
You're only
That's
that tall.
taller than Teddy.
Chop, chop.
That was taller than Teddy. Teddy's that tall.
Chop, chop.
And Sam was that tall.
Chop, chop.
is Sammy taller than Teddy?
Right.
Yeah.
Tell you what, you're going to grow like hell, you know.
Well, you're a big boy.
No, he's
Yeah,
not.
we-
He hasn't been eating his vegetables at home. There's nothing to grow.
Speaking of vegetables, how are
How you
your vegetables
going?
going?
I
well-
eat vegetables like every.
What about your
This
lettuce?
is mine. Not all the time though.
You're still
Is
going.
there
Especially
to finish
spinach.
No, Dad, nothing.
But I do not like spinach.
That's not spinach.
No, I'm just saying I do
So
never
which time
ever
we'll do it
eat
again?
spinach. I never
Yeah,
ever.
I
I
She gets
hate
in early
Hey, Teddy.
afternoon on Tuesday.
spinach.
Teddy, sorry, matey.
Becky gets in early afternoon on
Potato,
Tuesday.
please.
Can you
In
get
your mouth.
Yeah, we'll be
If
back
I
on
get you
Tuesday.
some, you're back Monday afternoon.
No, let him have his potato, Mum.
Early
If I get you some
afternoon,
poo-
Tuesday.
No, no, Will, let him have his potato, please.
Because she said she'd just get a cab.
No, of course I will.
Like probably 2, I'd say. On Tuesday.
Oh, well, we're
One
back
of
at
you
work
could do it, yeah.
Will, Pop, come on. Hugo,
Oh, I can't.
Teddy.
Are we gonna have a
I won't be
treat
able to do it in front
tonight?
of all the kids.
Are we gonna
Where's she
have
gonna
a
sleep?
treat tonight?
I worked it out last
Good
night.
boy.
At 3 o'clock in the morning.
Good.
This
And
is
Sam's
what I-
going to be
You
with us.
just want the treat, do you?
Yeah, so can't all bring